Now you see the hands are planted up. Bill, look at the strength on the boat. Oh my God, the boat.
Which do you prefer, Corey?
Well, I prefer to win, Cole.
I told you he wasn't afraid to hit a woman. We've seen this before. We're gonna turn back time.
Unless you're into that apartment wrestling, then it looks fabulous.
Oh, right on her head.
Not necessarily here in Shimmer, but obliteration!
This just likes to use a variation of a pile driver.
I thought you said Steen was a man.
I don't know how I feel about this, but
Don't do
again,
it.
you get involved in the match.
Don't do it! You son of a bitch!